So quickly on this video, I'll put you through how you can easily set up your new window or a formatted window. A challenge. Probably have a challenge of setting up your window. It asks you for a sign in or you must sign in with your Microsoft, and you don't want to do that. So this video will guide you through on how you can bypass that process, set up with your new window with your 11 precisely easily without the need of Microsoft account. Please follow me. Let's go. These are the details. Oh, take note. Can you take note of these steps? Write it down. Step one, step two, and step three. Just as we practicalize it on this particular video. Please kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. So the first step on your new system, kindly click on um, F10 button on your keyboard, and you have a command prompt. Because my system is set up already, I will just type it on my button here, have it here. Command into little bureau code. Don't be scared. It is the next thing you're going to do is to type just as we have it. Type the following code ncpA.cpl. This will enable us to disconnect the internet or Wi-Fi on the system. You need to disable it. So here you have it. It's your Wi-Fi software. All you need to do is to right click on it. All you need to do is to click on disable. Click on what? Disable. I don't want to do that now because I've set up my system already. Click on disable. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the following code. Type the following code in your system, which is OOBE/bypass NRO. Click enter, and automatically your system will automatically reset without the need for asking you to log in with your Microsoft detail. And if you want to turn your internet back again, if you want to turn it on back again, your internet cable, all you need to do is also on the command prompt type ncpA.pal, and the command prompt will come up, and what do you do? You enable the internet setting, just as the way with the internet you disable the internet setting. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.